Hello, my name is Jaden Poh.
SQUISHY, that's squishy. SQUISHY, that's SQUISHY, that's squishy. Here we go. SQUISHY, that's okay, I'm gonna do the bark now, so I'll count you in. Ready?
Ready? Try practice.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 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 oh.
Singapore wave as well. Come on, Singapore.
And I, a lone swordsman who terrorized the whole city for being too lazy. Nebula, a smaller part of dark matter, which is a smaller part of zero, which transforms into 02, all have big eyeballs, can possess people, known to be destroying the whole world. Max and Maglar, who both trick Kirby to get godlike powers from magical artifacts, have tried also to, destroy the whole world. It's more known to be destroying the whole universe instead of the world. Nightmare, he just likes to stay in a place, controlled DDD for once, and fought Kirby in the Fountain of Dreams, and there's no reason why he just stays there. Probably the music's just cool. That's all what I like about Kirby, that he eats a lot. Just a lot. He just eats a lot. If you have any other questions, you can ask me. Thanks for listening to my presentation. My name is Jaden, and I'm going to be talking about my favorite fictional character, the pink, round, innocent, food-loving puffball named Kirby. Kirby is the main protagonist of the Nintendo series, starting in Kirby's Dreamland, living in Planet Popstar. He has the power of having any ability that he has installed with items or, people. While he has the powers to copy any ability, he has to beat the antagonist of all trying to take over Planet Popstar or destroying the entire universe with different ways. Kirby has made a lot of friends along the way while he beats his antagonists, aka the enemies. So it can be either allies who have redeemed themselves from being villains, from their villainous deeds, or others have, been friends since the start of the journey. Some allies can be played in several games or can be seen in several shows. The villains Kirby faced are King Dedede, a big blue penguin who stole all the food in the town, Meta Knight, who the lone swordsman who fought Kirby or himself a lot of times, Nebula, a smaller part of dark matter, which is a smaller part of zero, which transforms into 02, have big eyeballs and can possess people, most likely DDD, and destroy the world. Not really. So, Max and Megalor, who both trick Kirby to get magical artifacts that give them godlike powers and nearly destroy the whole universe. Luckily, Kirby has stopped them twice, at least once. Nightmare, he likes to stay in a place he has fought Kirby before, but he, just lost. And he stays in the Fountain of Dreams for unknown reasons. And no much reason why. That's all I have to like about Kirby. If you have any other questions, you can ask me. Thanks for listening.